If you like Thanksgiving and you love parades, then you clicked on the right video, because today we're celebrating the 99th annual Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade here in New York City.
All right, guys, good morning. We are here at the 99th annual Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade here in New York City.
Almost 100.
Almost 100. Can you believe it? We made it. We had quite the journey this morning. I mean, we got up at like 3 in the morning in Connecticut. We took the train. Then we got into Grand Central Station. Then we took some other trains to get here. We waited in some long lines. Then we got into Macy's, and we were in kind of like a VIP line where, what did we get? We got
snacks,
we got
drinks.
Starbucks, there's drinks and cookies, and then finally we made it. We are now out here, and take a look at where we're at. That is right there. There's the turkey.
It's actually just the four of us because Jen and Mars sadly aren't here today, but it's me, my dad, my sister, and my mom.
We got about 2 minutes until the show begins.
Yeah, it's so cool.
All right, well, let's have a parade.
Woo!
Yeah.
Live from New York City, it's the 99th Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade on NBC.
Cynthia Vivo is now opening the parade with the song. So we have a really fun perspective of the parade. This is how it looks like on TV, and this is how close we are to the actual performance. And we're seeing some of the acts before they get to perform, hanging out right in front of us. In fact, there's the cast from Broadway's Ragtime. We are right behind the hosts that are just about to go live.
As long as she brings some hot wings. We want hot wings, Sean. You'll warm us up here. All right.
Did you guys see us on TV? The cast of Broadway's Just in Time is coming out right now. And my sister Autumn is really excited to see Jonathan Groff. Jonathan Groff is right there. Trombone player! You can see this is a great audience. Here's our first marching band. Here's Autumn's favorite float, Tom Turkey. It's raining confetti from out of the sky. Confetti, don't even ask why. This is like really cool. I love Mario. It's a game that I really like. Oh, and they're all like dressed up. There's shrooms, there's the stars, there's all that. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's Dora. Hola, soy Dora. Woo! Can you tell me how to get to Sesame Street? Wait, no, never mind, I found it. So, Mom, what do you think of the parade so far?
Oh, it's amazing. I can't believe our view. Yeah. Oh my gosh. And then getting to see all the performances live is incredible. I loved the confetti.
Yeah, that was really cool. There's a singer, Sierra. I bet she's about to sing something.
You know, normally we wake up in the morning and we're sitting around the TV watching the parade, but here we are right in the thick of it. This is really something. Really a unique perspective here that we're getting behind the scenes, sort of, because we're sitting opposite of where all the cameras are. That when you're watching TV and you're seeing the parade, you're seeing it from a different angle. So we're actually kind of seeing the behind the scenes from where we're sitting at right now, which is really neat. But we're also getting some of the bands perform in a spot where they don't perform anywhere else. So that's really, really cool. This is going to be a memory we're going to have for a really long time.
Oh my God, it's Greg Heffley. Oh, it's so cool. He doesn't look so wimpy from here. There he goes. I wonder what size shoe he is, like 50? That's a real corny float. Get it? It's an acorn. The people who work in that office building have an amazing view and they're so lucky. Oh, Mickey! Here comes Spider-Man. I think the costumes are really cool. Like they're dressed up as Spider-Man kind of. I think it's really interesting. Spider-Man, Spider-Man. 6, 7. The confetti's being launched if you can't tell. Whoa, this is so cool. Oh, somebody's gonna have a big job cleaning up all this confetti after the parade. I wonder with all this confetti if you could make like a really big leaf pile, but confetti pile. That would be really funny. I think I got some in my mouth. We didn't get to really see the front of the Labubu's unless you looked at the TV. Hey Gabby, welcome to the parade. Autumn, are you excited? I'm sticking out a tongue at the zebras. That looks like fun. These people are really excited about Smokey the Bear. They have Charlie Brown. I'm gonna cry. Snoopy! They're thinking of you, Mars. What? It's the float for Stranger Things. There's the Demogorgon. Oh, the glass is shattered. Holy, look at this. I know what we'll be watching today when we get home from the parade. The new season just came out yesterday. Here comes Pac-Man with his first day in the parade. This is so much fun. It's like so cool seeing all these people and getting a completely different perspective. And also how much it looks like they've practiced and gotten ready for this. Oh my, it's insane. I don't know how else to say this. Even more confetti. Yeah, there's a lot more coming up. Here comes Marshall from Paw Patrol. Here's another first-year balloon, Buzz Lightyear. Yeah! It's Shrek. Hairbell Bear. Now try saying that 10 times faster. Hairbell Bear, Hairbell Bear, herbivore. We're about to see Derpy the Tiger and Huntrix. If you can't read it, on their shirt it says K-pop Demon Hunters. Oh, it's the pigeon. 'Cause we are hunters, voices strong.
More confetti coming in.
Oh, more confetti. Oh, it's like a swarm of bees. Wow, we just got confetti and fireworks with that K-pop performance. On one of the streets, we got a big blue dog. And on the other side of the street, we got a big blue cat. Welcome to Blue York. That was clever. Well, it's an army of bingos and blueies. This is the best day ever. Oh, I think Santa's coming. It says Santa is on his way. I want to do the heat with somebody. I want to dance with somebody. With somebody who loves me. Guys, it's the spirit of America. Well, I guess it's now Elf on the Shelf babies. I think it's ending soon because now it's all winter. That's a massive candy cane. I'm going to be happy when the end comes, and I'm also going to be sad. Oh, there's like a carousel thing. That's cute. Minnie Mouse. It's the Rockettes. Oh my God, it's Santa! I know him! Look at how much confetti there is. It's snow. Woo! I got one on my tongue. No, thank you.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving! Happy Thanksgiving! Well, that concludes it. This parade was so fun. It included lots of fireworks, singing, dancing, acting, and I mean a lot of confetti. And I think this was such a great experience. My personal favorite float was the float of the dragon that shoot out fire from its mouth. That was crazy. And I think the funniest one was the little goldfish one because it was like the tiniest one ever. We got to see celebrities, we got to see dancing, tons and tons of balloons, marching bands, and lots of unforgettable memories that we'll have forever. And I definitely feel like it would be a good idea to come next year because next year is probably going to be the biggest year for celebrating the 100th anniversary, and I think it's going to be really fun. And now we're heading home to celebrate Thanksgiving and eat food with our family. For the 99th annual Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade, I'm Chase. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next year. Bye!